Hello everyone. We are going to start today about the writing paragraph and why paragraph important in our life. So today our topic is writing paragraph. So first of all, we need to understand about what is a paragraph, and so a paragraph is a group of sentences that tells about one subject or area. So, paragraph, we are just paraphrasing, with the help of paragraph. The help of paragraph writing, we are just paraphrasing some ideas. We are just paraphrasing some sentences that tells about one subject or area. Each sentence in a paragraph must give information about the topic. So, if we are talking about the paragraph, so in paragraph we are just giving some important information about the topic. So now we are just taking some learning objectives of paragraph writing. So the course has some essays by various Indian and foreign authors on various topics designed to acquaint the students with the means and techniques to put their views in a well structured manner. The student will learn different ideas and concepts through their reading of essays. So besides basics of grammar like parts of speech, tenses, vocabulary, exercise are so designed to teach the students basic tool of English language and upgrade their ability to functional utilizations of the language through the practical application of grammar rules. So now we are just focusing toward the some objectives of paragraph writing. So we need to focus about the some techniques, how to structure our paragraph, and the student will will also learn different ideas and concepts through their reading of essays. So besides we also focus about the parts of speech. Parts of speech is very important in grammar section, because we also need to focus about some nouns and their pronouns, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. These are basic foundation and basic part of any paragraph writing or any writing. Okay, so tenses is also play a very important part in paragraph writing. So, if we are talking about some sentences, so present time of an expression should be there, past time of an expression should be there, or future. So, tenses is also play a very vital role in paragraph writing. Then after our vocabulary. So, vocabulary play very important area from any paragraph. So exercises are so designed to teach our student basic tools of English language, upgrade their ability to function utilizations of the language. Now, so reasons to write a paragraph. So first of all, things should be in our mind. Key reasons to write a paragraph. So first of all, describe something. So if we are writing a paragraph, if we are thinking to write a writing a paragraph, so first of all, describe something. Describe something and tell a story, explain something, and to persuade. So the most important part, the most important thing is कि we must describe something. Whatever we want to discuss, or whatever we want to write, so it should be described. So we must describe, something on that. Tell a story. If we are writing a paragraph or concluding something on there, so tell a story and explain something and persuade. Then after, there are some learning outcomes also here to write a paragraph. At the end of the course, the student will be able to write a paragraph with a topic. So before writing a paragraph, so some healthy sentences should be there, some sentences and examples should be there. So first of all, the most important thing is why we are writing a paragraph. So, and what is the purpose of any paraphrasing? Yeah, what is the purpose of any paragraph writing? So, if our purpose is not clear, point is not clear, कि why we are writing a paragraph, and our topic is not clear, so it is very difficult to understand even, or even to write it also. So, first of all, we need to, focus about the, importance. We must focus about the paragraph. We must focus about the topic. So supportive sentences should be there, and concluding sentences also there. Write his or her views and opinions in a few words possible. If we are talking, or if we are saying something on, paragraph, so are some views and opinions in a few words possible? If we, views and opinions in a few words possible, and produce coherent and unified paragraphs with adequate support details. Write an effective introduction and conclusion. So this is the, most important part of any paragraph. Are supportive sentences, supportive ideas, and concluding sentences, starting, and our topic. So, write an effective introduction. First of all, if our introduction, if a title is not clear, title is not effective, so it would be more difficult to understand even about the, introduction, about the effective introduction of any, paragraph. So, effective introduction should be there, and we must conclude our paragraph. And now we are just moving on, parts of a paragraph. So these are some parts of a, paragraph. So first of all, topic sentence. So it states the main idea of the paragraph. It tells the reader what the paragraph will be about. A good topic sentence does two things. It names a subject. It gives the focus on main point. So first of all, paragraph. If we are writing a paragraph, the topic sentences should be, clear. State the main idea of the paragraph. First of all, it states the main idea. Okay, so we are just talking about the main point or main idea of the paragraph. It tells the reader what the paragraph will be about. So first of all, this thing is, it will be, clear. It will be clear in mind कि what the paragraph will be about, on which topic, on which paragraph. So a good topic sentence does two things. Always a good topic, sentence does always two things. First of all, name a subject. Second, about the, give the focus or main, point. So subject, suppose we can take any subject. Suppose Egypt we are taking. So main focus on the region, Egyptian, region, main focus on the gods. So this is, what we are just discussing, and what we are sharing here about the, knowledge on a paragraph. If we are talking about the writing of paragraph, all things always should our mind, grammatically also some points are parts of the speeches, and we talk about the, tenses. Okay, so these are very, basic points. We need to just focus on that before writing a paragraph. Supporting details. Now, supporting details mean sentences that are connected to the main ideas. Uh, we have started a paragraph. Suppose we have started a paragraph on Egypt. So, some sentences, some supportive, ideas, some supportive, examples, supportive connectors connected. So, sentences that are connected to the main idea. Okay, they include information or details the reader needs needs in order to understand the topic. If we are not giving or not adding any information, details, if we are not adding any details over here, over there, so reader needs, to focus or understand about the topic. Okay, so needs in order to understand the topic sentences should be ordered in the best possible order. If we, if we have ordered our sentences, if we have ordered our paragraph well mannerly and clearly, effectively, so So this is called, we are just supporting and just adding some, more information there. So main ways to do this is either by time, location, or importance. So this is, supporting details, supporting ideas, supporting information. So reader can understand clear, about it, on which topic, on which subject you are just focusing. And also we need to focus about the, main part, and the, main part or main subject, and with the example, with an example. Now closing statement. Now we are just concluding. So before concluding and before ending our paragraph, so some, complementary clause should be there, closing statement should be there. To sum up the paragraph's message, it reminds the readers of the topic. Now, so this is, paragraph details and closing statement. The ancient Egyptians believed in many different gods and goddesses, and each one had their own role to play in maintaining peace and harmony across the land. Some gods and goddesses took part in creation. Other gods and goddesses brought the floods every year. Some offered protection and some took care of people after they died. So Egyptians had local gods who represented towns and minor gods who represented plants or animals. The ancient Egyptians believed that it was important to recognize and worship these gods and goddesses so that life continued smoothly. So now what we have seen from this paragraph, now these are some details. Details are here. Details paragraph we have just discussed these from these lines about the Egyptians, goddess and gods and their role. So what they are doing, they are just maintaining peace and harmony across the land. So now with closing statement, we are just talking about the, beliefs that it was important to recognize and worship these gods and goddesses so that life continues smoothly. So we can take different paragraphs. Not only we are not only focusing only this paragraph. There are lot of ways. There are different paragraph we are having. So the main point, the main idea is that we need to focus about the reading skills also. Ki either we are understanding, either we are getting or not properly. Okay, so the main focus, the main point is this: we are just reading a paragraph clearly, well mannerly, well structurally. So then we can just conclude, then we can say closing statement is there. So we need to focus about the reading skills also before having a paragraph. Now think of a good topic sentences for the search of the tape. So we can take many days. Penguin moms lay the eggs and afterwards leave to guard food for 2 months. Penguin dads incubate the eggs until it hatches. They take turns caring for their chick and feeding in the sea. Once the egg hatches, the young stay sheltered in the pouch of the mother while the father brings food. These are some, think of a good topic sentences for the search of relatives. We can take student examples of topic sentences. Mother and father penguins both take care of their young, and mother and father penguins play a very important role in raising their young. So penguin mom and dads are very good parents. Penguin parents are very protective of their young, and I will show you how. So these are some examples. We can take many examples. There are a lot of examples. We have many examples. So we can take any examples according to our according to our convenience. So different paragraph, different topics. So we can also create many examples, we can create many topics, and we can create many paragraphs according to our own understanding. So paragraph details topic sentence. So Arizona has been thinking about standing the school year from May to June, but I think they should not extend the school year. What are some details you would expect to see in this paragraph? These are some new details topic sentence. So from this paragraph writing, we are just this is mental exercise. This is brain training. So brain training we are having, if we want to learn, or if we want to know more things, so we need to focus about the brain training. Okay, so we can take, or we can add more information, more ideas we can get, more details we can take. So more ideas also we can take from this. So the most important thing is we need to practice on that. Okay, so if we are practicing, and if we are practicing and we are talking and we are just writing a paragraph on different topics, so easily we can improve a lot. The examples, there are a lot of examples of details in this paragraph might be about why Arizona is extending the school year, when they plan to extend the school year, when, why, reasons why it is a bad idea. So, from this slide, we can take many idea from this. We can take many idea, and according to our own understanding, according to our own own knowledge, we can put and we can write many more things on that. So why, when they plan, reasons why it is a bad idea. So there are a lot of details, there are a lot of ideas we are having on paragraph. So we should focus on these things. Think of closing statement. Now we are just taking some closing statement from this paragraph writing. So, this is first of all, before closing or before ending and before giving complimentary close. So, we need to just focus about just think over it. First of all, if we are not thinking, so how can we get any idea? How can we, take any, take information, and how can we write it on that. So the most important, the most part is we need to just focus, and we need to just write down some important parts, some important points. If we are writing, or if we are concluding our paragraph, if we are closing our paragraph, so lot of things should be in our mind, lot of ideas also should be in our mind why we are writing, and middling parts, and between adding information, supporting many ideas, supporting many sentences, supporting many views. So these are very very important point we must have. So Egypt is most famous for their pyramids. There are over 100 pyramids in Egypt, but that information is unknown to many people. So most of the people are not aware, most of the people they don't know about the Egypt pyramid. So first of all, information should be there. The most people, the most popular and well-known pyramid are the pyramids of Giza. They are located in the Cairo. Pyramids were tombs for pharaohs. To complete the pyramids, workers hauled and lifted millions of limestone blocks that weighed an average of 2.5 tons each. They did not have iron tools or vehicles. The workers carried each stone by hand, pulled them on sleds, and lifted them up mud ramps to be placed on the slowly rising structure. This is, there are some knowledge, there are some information we must know about Egypt. Examples of closing statements. These are some statements. So, examples of closing statements. Now we are glad that Egyptians worked so hard so that we can admire the beauty. The pyramid, the pyramid have been standing in Egypt for a long time and they still stand for people to see. You can see why the Egyptian would be proud of all his hard work. We hope that someday scientists will be able to figure out how Egyptians built these ancient structures. So, if we're closing this paragraph, so, there are a lot of things we have understand about the Egypt, about the people, about the beauty, pyramid. So, the most important thing is, uh, we are just taking some knowledge, we are taking some ideas, we are taking some information from this. So the most important thing is, we must understand about the, how they, construct, how the ancient structure. So now some transitions to help your paragraphs flow together. They think ideas so that they relate to one another in the same way. Similarly, likewise, why these are some, connectors. You can say linking devices are there. So help your paragraph flow together. They link ideas so that they relate to one another. So these are, transitions words are there. They are some, transitions word. They are, linking devices. So with the help of these linking devices, we can connect, we can, link many ideas, we can link many, many information, we can add or many information together so that they relate to one another in the same way. Similarly, likewise, otherwise, on the other hand, although, thou, yet, because, and, or many more. So we can, take some ideas as a result. Therefore, finally, in conclusion, in summary, lastly, and in addition. So these are some character, these are some linking devices. So we must have knowledge on that. If we are having knowledge on that, so it would be easy for us how to change, how to add, and how to how to start our paragraph and middle part and concluding part. These transitions, these connectors are very very important in paragraph writing. So now we are just we have completed the paragraph writing. So now we can say in this paragraph, we have learned lot of things, how to write a paragraph. So writing paragraphs are very, very important. We can write on any topic and we can think on any topic and start writing. So what is a paragraph? We have understand, and some objectives also, learning objectives also. We have discussed some objectives of paragraph writing, reasons to write a paragraph. This is a most important point. We need to focus on that. Writing, reasons to write a paragraph. So reasons are very important. If we are not having any reason, so this is difficult to write, write on any paragraph. Reasons. So reasons like describe something and tell a story and tell a story and explain something. If we want to explain, so the most important thing to explain something. Then after the persuade your writing, so some learning outcome is also very important. We are just focusing about the learning outcome. At the end of the course, the student will be able to write a paragraph in the topic. So need to support and add some ideas, add some examples, concluding sentences. So parts of a paragraph is also very important. Topic, sentences, subject should be clear, and we have to focus on the main subject and main focus point, supporting details, supporting points. Then after the closing statement also should be there. Then after the details, if you're having details on and paragraph. So details, we need to focus on details. Then after we are just concluding the statement, closing statement. Then after the think of a good topic sentences for this type of it is. So the most important thing we must focus about the main details, main points, main structure, main supporting sentences. So this is a very important point we need to focus on during paragraph writing. Student examples of topics. So if we are talking about paragraph, so we need to just we are just taking we are taking many examples. We are taking some examples and even taking some supportive sentences during paragraph. So penguin, we have the topic mother and father penguin both take care and important points. Very good parents, they are very good parents and writing raising some their important points. So paragraph details, so topic sentences, and Arizona has been thinking about the extending the school year from May to June. Why? So what are some details you would expect to see in this paragraph? So these all details should be, you must construct all these details. Examples are there. Think of a closing statement. We have already discussed about the closing statement. We have also taken some examples of closing statement, closing paragraph. Then after we have taken some transitions and linking words, linking devices and connectors. So if we are using some connectors, some transitions word, so it would be easy for us because we can take many more sentences, we can construct many sentences. So it is a very wonderful devices. We are just taking some connectors while although and conclusion summary of that. Finally, therefore, so these linking devices should be clear and also must have knowledge about how to how to use it. So using how using transitions is a very important thing. We must focus about these devices. I hope we have clear and we have discussed all points on paragraph writing. Details also we have discussed. So from this topic, the most part is parts of the paragraph. So three parts. So we need to focus about the three parts. Three parts are very important parts. So with the help of these parts, with the help of these examples, we can construct many paragraphs in our day-to-day life. So topic sentences. So state the main idea of the paragraph. First of all, state the main idea of the paragraph. First of all, we are talking and focusing about the main idea of the paragraph. It tells the reader what the paragraph will be about. So, topic means we are on this topic. So, reader will understand about the paragraph about the topic. So, a good topic sentence does two things always: subject and their main focus. So, subject should be in a mind clearly, focusly, and freely without any without any hurdle and without any problem. So subject should be clear in our mind. Then after the main focus, we are focusing on the main point. Then after the supporting detail, supporting here we are just talking about the supporting sentences and supporting example. So sentences that are connected to the main idea, they include information or details the reader needs in order to understand the topic. Sentences should be ordered in the best possible order. So main ways to do this is either by time, location, or importance. So supporting details always should be in mind before starting a paragraph. Then after the complementary closing statement, some of the paragraph message which remind reader of the topic. So complementary close, complementary closing, and conclusion should be there because here we are talking about the closing. And if our closing part is solid, and if our closing part is, having uh, some information, important information, the reader will also take interest from this.